Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic gaseous exchange and its types. Definition of gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange is the process of obtaining oxygen from the environment and releasing carbon dioxide. It occurs through diffusion or ventilation. Respiratory system. There are two types of respiration, external and internal. External respiration involves the gaseous of exchange of gases between the lungs and blood. Internal respiration involves the exchange of gases between the blood and body tissues. Types of gaseous exchange. External respiration occurs between lungs and blood. Internal respiration occurs between blood and body tissues. Cutaneous respiration occurs through skin in amphibians and some fishes. Diffusion. There are two types of diffusion, simple and facilitated. Simple diffusion occurs when molecules move from high to low concentration, whereas facilitated diffusion requires the assistance of a protein channel. Facilitated diffusion is passive transport of molecules across a membrane with the help of membrane proteins. There are two types, channel and carrier. Comparison between diffusion and facilitated diffusion. Gaseous exchange occurs through diffusion and facilitated diffusion. Diffusion occurs across a concentration gradient, while facilitated diffusion requires a protein channels. Gaseous exchange and its types. Gaseous exchange, also known as gas exchange or respiration, is the process by which oxygen is taken in the form of environment and carbon dioxide is released. This process occurs in living organisms to facilitate the gaseous of gases exchange between the respiratory system and the external environment. Gaseous exchange is critical for the survival of organisms as oxygen is necessary for cellular respiration, which produces energy for various physiological functions. There are two main types of gaseous exchange, external respiration or external gaseous exchange. Definition. This is the exchange of gases that occurs between an organism and its external environment. In most animals, this process takes place in specialized respiratory organs such as lungs, gills, or trachea. Example in human. In humans, external respiration occurs in the lung. Oxygen from the air is taken into the lungs and diffuses into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide produced in the body is released from the bloodstream into the lungs to the expelled during exhalation. Internal respiration or internal gaseous exchange. Definition. This is the exchange of gases that occurs between the bloodstream and the cell of the body. It involves the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide at the cellular level to support cellular respiration. Example in human. In humans, internal respiration occurs in the tissue throughout the body. Oxygen carried by the blood is released to the cells, and carbon dioxide produced by the cells is picked up by the blood for transport back to the lungs. The specific structures involved in gaseous exchange vary among different organisms depending on their evolutionary adaptations and environmental requirements. Here are a few examples. In humans, external respiration lungs are the primary respiratory organs where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs. Internal respiration takes place in tissues throughout the body, especially at the cellular level. In fish, external respiration gills are the respiratory organs where oxygen is excreted from the water and carbon dioxide is released. Internal respiration, similar to humans, occurs in the tissue throughout the body. Insects, external respiration, insects have a network of tracheal tubes that deliver oxygen directly to cells, and carbon dioxide is released through the same system. Internal respiration occurs at the cellular level. In summary, gaseous exchange is a vital process for the survival of oxygen and organisms, and the specific mechanism and structure involved depend on the organism's respiratory system and environmental conditions. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation helped you understand gaseous exchange and its different types better. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Consider please sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and share my video.